Hi everyone. Have you ever wanted to run powerful AI models like Mistral, Llama 3 or Phi 3 directly on your own laptop without needing an expensive GPU or relying on cloud services? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Ollama locally on a standard 16GB RAM Windows 11 laptop, even without a dedicated graphic card. I'll also explore the Retrieval-Augmented Generation, namely RAG, which lets you supercharge your AI with your own documents, all while keeping everything private, offline, and completely under your control. So if you are ready to take control of your AI experience without subscriptions, privacy concerns, or usage limits, let's begin and get Ollama running on your machine. First, we will create a clean, structured folder on your desktop to keep all your AI projects neatly organized. Here is what we will do. Create a main folder, let's call it RAG. Inside it, we will add another subfolder. We will call it rag_documents. This is where you will store all your PDFs, Word files, or text files that you want the AI to analyze. Now that our two folders are ready, let's peek under the hood of the Python script that brings our local AI to life. Don't worry, we will keep this high level and focus on what matters the most. A link to the script is right under this video. Do you see the lines disabling GPU or CUDA? That ensures that everything runs 100% on your CPU with zero data leaks. The brain is the Phi 3 model. It is CPU optimized, which is a compact but powerful AI specially tuned to run smoothly on your laptop's CPU. If you wonder how it understands long documents, a smart text splitter breaks them into digestible chunks while preserving the content. Using Phase, a lightning-fast search tool, the script creates a searchable library of your documents. And when you ask a question, it instantly finds the most relevant passages without any internet connection required. The all-mini LM L6v2 embeddings are tiny but effective, and they are ideal for laptops. So once everything gets installed, the AI will scan your local files and respond in seconds, all while staying entirely offline. So it's the time to power up our system with Python, the engine that will run the AI script. We will grab it from the Microsoft Store for a hassle-free install. So open the Microsoft Store, just type Store in your Windows search bar, and search for Python 3.10. We are using this particular version because it plays nicely with all our tools that we will install. And now hit install and let it handle the rest. So there is no command line tooling necessary here. And now verify it works. Run PowerShell and then enter this command. You're golden! By the way, you will find all commands that I enter here under this video in the description. Head to ollama.com and grab the Windows installer. run the executable file. Just click Next until it is done. And here comes an important step. First close and then reopen PowerShell and run this command. Watch as it downloads your offline AI model. Now that we have Python and Ollama ready, it's time to equip the system with some essential tools for our AI script. We will do this in 3 parts to keep things manageable. First up, the core dependencies. The next 2 packages are what will allow our AI to actually understand and search through your documents intelligently. But if you do see errors, don't panic. Check the internet connection, run the command again, or simply Google the error. Almost all issues are already solved online. So this is the moment we've been waiting for. Let's fire up our AI assistant by executing this command. When you run this script for the first time, here's exactly what will happen. The script will automatically pull an embedding model from Hugging Face, and that is the brain that helps our AI understand the meaning behind our documents. It is small enough for laptops, but powerful enough for serious work. Once you do see the prompt to enter a question, that's your green light. The AI will scan your private files and respond with 0 internet connection. While actually the script is now ready for your questions, let us close and reopen it. I found that it runs a lot smoother that way. Go ahead and close and reopen PowerShell. Re-enter the same command to start the script. I'm going to ask the local AI a real technical question. Let's type, what is an ARM CPU? In just seconds, our script is searching through the vector database. It is understanding the question's context and generating a coherent answer completely offline. And here comes the surprise, a fact you didn't know. The entire demo today is running inside a virtual machine. It runs in VMware Fusion on a Mac, with only 3 virtual CPU cores and 16 GB of RAM. There is no GPU acceleration, everything happens on the CPU. If it works this smoothly in a virtual machine, imagine how well it actually runs on your actual Windows laptop. This proves that you don't need an expensive gaming PC or cloud subscriptions or the latest hardware. And that answer about the ARM CPUs? It was processed by your local CPU with enterprise-grade AI tools that now fit in your backpack, and it saves you a penny. Who needs the cloud after all?